if Satan can wield authority over you enough to afflict you with something, enough to control your mind, enough to control your action, it means that you are not under God. It doesn't mean you are not born again. You are born again. But you are not submitted to God.
There are certain mistakes that we make that we cannot correct. Not even our children will be able to correct. That God was silent does not mean that he has given consent. It is important that we must search for the heart of God in every situation, even as small as that which we can do ourselves.
Many of you need to go back to the things God told you and cut off all the extrapolations you have added. Learn to know the limits of divine revelation.